Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Working on the trunk pan patch for the 57-210. I have my bench English whale out, and this is the first time I'm going to give this thing a try. It's probably nigh on to impossible with one hand, so I'm going to try to go here and give you guys an idea. I've got the highest crown wheel that I have in here, and I'm just trying to make a pocket for the bead that I got to roll here. So working on that. As you can see, it's not easy with just one hand, but then you can tighten this thing up a little bit tighter. You have your crank down here, tighten it up just a bit tighter. So the whole idea of this, by doing this pre-stretching with the English wheel before you run it through the bead roller, is to pre-stretch it. Now you can see already, I'll see if I can get it. There are some little marks forming right in here, and that's the ridges that are forming. So you can see the tracks of the wheel. Now they're supposed to keep these wheels real clean, but this is a trunk pan piece, so I'm not super worried about it. It's the first time I'm doing this anyways, so we'll give it a whirl and see how it works out. But it's nice to be moving forward. Man, we come through that cold snap like everybody else, and it's just impossible to do anything. So let's see if I can continue on with this. I guess one of the big things too is you don't want to get your fingers in this thing. So, but you can see it's got tension on it, and it's definitely putting some shape in the metal, some